Hey, Chad here. So, 52 years ago, on February 19th, Mr. Rogers debuted on public television. And just to commemorate that, I'd like to play a quick song or two for you. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beautywood, a neighborly day for beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you, so let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Would you be mine? Would you be my neighbor? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please, won't you be my neighbor? It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling growing inside. And when you wake up ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy new day. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling. The feeling you know that we're friends. It's such a good feeling to know you're in tune. It's such a happy feeling you're finally in bloom. And when you wake up ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy new day. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling. The feeling you know that we're friends. Okay, got one more. See if I remember how to play this one. It's you I like, not the things you wear, not the way you do your hair, but it's you I like, the way you are right now. When I'm deep inside you, not the things that hide you, not your toys, but just beside you. It's you I like, every part of you, your skin, your eyes, your feelings, whether old or new. I hope that you'll remember, even when you're feeling blue. It's you I like, it's you yourself, it's you. It's you I like. Thanks again for watching. Mr. Rogers was a very inspiring person in my childhood. Everything from watching how things were made from picture picture to the life lessons he taught about being excellent to each other. I hope you like what I played for you today. I know it's not a video that I normally post on here, but I wanted to share it with you. So, thanks so much and have a great day.